it's me, Yari. I know it's been a minute, but I'm finally back and better than ever. Today I'm with California Aqua Pros in sunny California, where the weather's always warm. So starting from this walkway, we're gonna find that we see a beautiful view of the mountains, and it's extremely undescribable. But the one thing that I would say is the noise from the traffic is drowning out the scenery. So what we decided to do was build a Pondless waterfall. We have a beautiful Pondless waterfall that drowns out that traffic noise and creates a peace and remedy sound effect, which I find amazing. And once again, I am very inspired by the work that Brian and Gilberto and Manny and Joe and Luis have created and put their hand and heart and soul into this pond. And every single time I get surprised by them. So congratulations to all their beautiful work. Aqua Pros team always rocks.